So today I took a loss of $1,000 traded across 5 accounts, which I could have easily prevented this from happening, but I did some mistakes. I'm gonna tell you what I did wrong so you can prevent them from you doing the same thing as I did. Okay, first of all, coming to the week. All right, first of all, we have this big NWOG. All right, there is something no one tells you or you can hear about it. No one tells you this. If the NWOG is more than 100 points, don't target the NWOG. We have a very high chance of price is not going to target. There is a high chance that the price will not go to the N1 during the first 3 or 4 trading days until the end of the week or the next week. And why is this? Because since we dump or pump more than 100 points in the next week, this is because of macroeconomics, not because of the price algorithms or something like that. So always keep this in mind and don't target NWOGs during the middle of the week. Until Thursday or Friday, you can target the NWOGs or at the next week. But during the first 3 or 4 days, don't target the NWOG. You just gotta lose money. First of all, coming to the day, I was very bearish. Why? We had in the 1 hour, we have this trendline liquidity. This is such a good liquidity pool to target. To have a lot of stop loss orders, like look how many. It's like very low resistance, and low resistance liquidity typically have stop loss orders. So this is such a great target. Overnight session in London, what did we do? We took my target. Here I should have saw this, look at it from all my accounts and keep going with my day. But what did I did? I was like, wait, we might have another trade that we can go lower. So what happened next? Before markets open, as we can see clearly in the overnight session, we invest multiple bearish PD arrays to the upside, and also we tapped into 1 hour for value gap, and we are clearly bullish. So my target was 3-day open or London high, 2 targets. Whatever give us the first entry, I'm gonna take it. Let me go on the replay mode. So as you can see in the replay before I take the trade, so price was ranging between London high and London low. As price ranging, market open, bam. What did we do? SMT, type into 15 minutes. All right, we have the last bullish fair value gap on the leg, which is typically are the most strongest ones. So A plus setup, SMT, 15-minute fair value gap unfilled got tapped. What do we have next in the 30-second? 30-second IPG. For me, IPG play or confirmation candle play. We have both. Confirmation candle, very strong candle with good momentum, and got inverse. But what happened next? We tap this small BPR or fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. Then we start rejecting. My stop loss go ahead. Here I was done for the day. I looked up from my accounts. I'm not looking for any other day because I checked the news. The first mistake I did is not checking the news. What we have Supreme Court hearings for tariffs. First of all, this is a red folder and it's a fucking court speech. All right, so it's gonna keep going 30 minutes or 1 hour. They might say anything, so price results will keep ranging, and exactly that what happened. Price kept ranging. I instantly locked up from my accounts, and I wasn't looking for any other trades. And easily, what could have done is when I log to my account and see my draws got taken, I should have been done of the trading day. Okay, I'm done until next day. But what I did, I want to trade, so I took my loss. I'm done for the day. Am I mad? No. Am I happy? Yes, because I learned something new that when my draws got taken, I need to be done for the day. Simple as that. Yeah, so this is why this trade failed. If you took this trade, it's an A plus setup. Especially a lot of people will say, oh, I should target the NWOG. As I said earlier, don't target the NWOG if it's more than 100 points, because there's a high chance the price won't go visit the NWOG. And you can backtest this, honestly. You can backtest this and see that the price will visit the NWOG at the end of the week or at next week. But if the NWOG is small, it should probably target it at overnight session or at Monday, first day of trading day. And yeah, this is what I did wrong. So I hope you enjoyed or took something from this video. And yeah, to the next training, to the next video.